Amy's Baking Company is the 16th episode of the 6th season of Kitchen Nightmares and the 82nd episode of the series. The episode first aired on May 10, 2013 and centered on Gordon Ramsay attempting to help Amy and Samy Bouzaglo, owners of Amy's Baking Company in Scottsdale, Arizona. The episode marked the only time in either the UK or the US versions of Kitchen Nightmares history that Ramsay was unable to complete the restaurant's transformation due to conflict with the owners. The owners' violent behaviors received negative attention on social media, and the manner in which they responded to this critical reception further fueled the controversy, prompting Forbes to refer to this as an example of how a business should not react to comments posted on social media. A follow-up episode, Return to Amy's Baking Company, aired as the season 7 premiere on April 11, 2014. Amy and Samy Bouzaglo, the husband and wife owners, explained the history of their restaurant. Samy invested over $1 million to build the restaurant in 2006 in order to fulfill Amy's dreams. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.